Jai Jai Shankara Rara Shankara. Many have been asking me, Swami, what is the difference between astrology and psychic reading? The answer is very simple. Astrology is based on the planetary positions. Psychic reading the reading comes from the highest source possible. In astrology, suppose if somebody is affected with negativity, through astrology, they can say that because of this planet, there could be some problems. But in psychic reading, the readings can be as accurate as what is the item that is the cause of negativity and who has done what, etc. The person's complete picture can be given through psychic reading, which is uh, a little different in astrology. This is one of the prime difference as to why uh, you as a customer must choose psychic reading over astrology. It pays a little more to get these things done in case you're suffering from acute negativity. Because there are many times we do not know what is the cause of your problems. So when you do not know the cause of the problems, at times like people say, okay, because of this planetary position, it is like this. But the problem is you're still dealing with the symptom and not with the root cause. So what is the root cause of the problem? That can be accurately predicted through psychic reading. See, astrology has its own benefit. I mean, like when you're looking at matchmaking, astrology can help you out with whether this horoscope matches with another and so on. I mean, it has its own advantages. Okay, I'm not saying astrology is bad or anything like that. But what I'm saying is through psychic reading, you get the accurate reading when there is a lot of negativity around you. Let me give an example. A few days back, there was one family which has been affected with negativity. I mean, like, they had huge acres of land. When I say acres, hundreds of acres of land. Plus, the family had its own temple. They lost the land. The temple was taken over by the Muzrai department. So, the family was clueless as to what is the cause of the problem. They have consulted plenty of astrologers. They said, okay, you do this remedy, you do that remedy, you do this. They did everything possible. Like, one generation suffered, subsequent generation also, they were suffering. In fact, like, there was no unity within the family, plenty of problems, etc. So that was the time, I entered the scene and they approached me for a consultancy. So I was able to identify a specific object in which a lot of prayogam was done and given to them. Okay, astrology said yes, there could be a potential problem, but through psychic reading, I was able to predict this is the actual problem. So potential problem versus actual problem. Right now, you decide which of the two you want. The choice is entirely yours. So through psychic reading, we were able to predict. I was able to predict that this is the actual cause of their problems. So once it is removed, they are out of the problem because you are dealing with the mother of the mother root. So once that is removed, the other things automatically falls like nine pins. So this makes a huge difference for you because you are craving for a solution. You're craving that yes, I need to come out of this, but you do not know how. Through psychic reading, we answer the how, right? We answer the how of the problem, how to come out of the problem. This makes it very lethal, potent, and powerful. So, if you are going through plenty of crisis, if you have done all possible remedial things and still you are not able to get answers to your questions, I think you must book a session with us for you to know what is the actual cause of the problem and then the how of it so that you know how to come out of it and we handled you. We make things very simple, right? And you might also be wondering, is it very religious? See, the benefit of working with me is that I'm a psycho spiritualist. I'm a psychologist by academics and a spiritualist again by nature, right? Because I have already shared with you all that I took up spirituality, you know, uh, by an act of God. Okay, so. Uh, all your questions, most of your questions would be answered. I mean, like, see, through psychic reading, I don't look at matchmaking because that's not what psychic reading can predict. But though psychic reading can specify the psychology of the couples, right? So, likewise, there are plenty of situations where, like, psychic reading can be very, very useful in giving you the accurate readings. Like, for example, if somebody's land is in some problems, you know, with the psychic powers, we can figure out whether there is liveliness or jiva in that particular soil. If any, then you should not proceed with that. So, things like this, psychic reading is extremely beneficial for you as a customer. Because at the end of the day, when you're paying money, you should expect that, yes, I have paid this amount of money and, I have got what I wanted. And then we can help you create an action plan and handle you in the process, right? So, in case you're interested in booking a session with us, do write to anargya.com at gmail.com. We will be happy to help you. Looking forward during the session. Thanks a lot.